is Onyara's 7th birthday on Monday, and um different from how she celebrated for the last 6 years. She wanted to just celebrate it in school along with her classmates. So there were 19 classmates all together, and the initial plan was just to give them each gifts like this. So gifts, but the husband really, because as kids, they maybe want to have loot bag as well, so we're adding a loot bag. So but the loot bag is very limited to more toys rather than candies, because yeah, we wanted to keep the kids entertained instead of um getting toothaches. But yeah, I love that the husband thought of what to put in the loot bags from the start. Even since Onyara started what do you call this started her first birthday in 2019, we really like put such an effort into the loot bags, because for us it's just not loot bags, it's gifts for the kids from Onyara. So it's just once a year, so we make sure that we really put time and effort into it. So um for this 7th birthday, the theme is really more about toys and less on the sweets. But of course, kids are kids, so we just this is the only one that's sweets there. And this one because Onyara likes this. So most of the things here, Onyara likes it. So yeah, and also this sourdough, she really likes this sourdough, so we wanted to put it in the loot bag. And also this one, this was a latest addition, because she was given a gift like this from church and she likes it. That's why we wanted to put it in the loot bag as well. And of course, her all-time favorite, this bubbles. And of course, we show this one. So of course, the husband and I are from the 1980s, right? So I'm 1986, the husband is 1984, and we've had our chances playing this one. And there was a time, I think I forgot if this last year, we bought Onyara a bunch of these and she really likes it. So that's why we wanted to share it to as well to the kids, so that if they didn't experience playing this one, it could teach them how to do this. So yeah, and of course this cutie one, so this is a new addition from the husband. He likes it because very cute, and yeah, for the kids. So yeah, that is it. These the gifts, so there are names already in the individual gifts. So Onyara carefully really think of the people who to give the gifts to. So it's only 8 for now. We're buying 11 more, for so that each of her classmates would have a gift, because ideally, right, they celebrate in school, and ideally when we're invited to a party we usually bring gifts. But when it's celebrated in school, sometimes I'm not able to give them gifts already in school. But so I take this time, like just to give everybody gifts, so that it's also a practice for Onyara to really carefully what do you call this, Onyara is already very generous, but we wanted to consistency and yearly practice. And yeah, so this is it. So what will you see in the loot bag? So it's just very this is a flimsy loot bag. The initial idea was to really what do you call this, make it personalized for Anyara, but the husband or not really what do you call this, it's just the personalization would what do you call this, increase the expense. So, and then besides, the kids little just doesn't mind that's the personalization, and most of the time it will increase the expense. So we just keep it very simple. So what will be inside the loot bag is one, two, three, four toys and 2 sweets. We're not sure if we give it into 2 sweets, but yeah, I think this is good for now because when I put it in here already, it's like this is very flimsy and very small, so it all fits in already. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. So we're very excited to celebrate in school. This is the first time that we would celebrate Onyara's birthday in school, and as of today, I already asked the parents to select the lunch that they would have for their kids. So um yeah, just to be sure that the kids can eat whatever it is that we will bring in school. So that's it, guys, and thank you for the friends who's sending on gifts to Onyara already. That's very appreciated. Thank you.